I've let it run long enough. It's warmed up some. I am going to have the AC checked. I thought that I had an invoice where they'd done some AC work, but it's not cool. In fact, it's not really cooling at all. I'll get that checked, and if you're going to come up and look at it, I will. I'll get the crane controller. I'm sure I've already run the crane, but I'll get the crane controller and run the crane and everything so that you don't waste a trip. But like I say, I believe I've already ran it. And I think the compressor's already been to the small engine place. I can't remember. I thought it had already been. A little bit of smoke coming out. Cap sits there fine. It ain't jiggling at all. Like I said, I need to get the AC looked at. Looks like at least the front tires are new. I wasn't even thinking. I didn't have this door open very long. I just does have that damage down that side a little bit. Got this little lever to open it. Our detail guys don't do very good on the toolboxes. We haven't found really any of them that'll get them toolboxes very clean. 7,500 pound crane, 21 foot reach. Like I said, it's got that scrape down the bed. Trying to get this video done. The outriggers are manual. Got a switch here you got to turn on for the crane to power up. Like I say, I'll go get the controller after I'm done with the video and just verify it all works. But I'm sure I've run this one. In fact, I remember that switch. Well, it looks like I may get this video done without getting a call. That drawers fell down, or that shelf rather. Not rusty. Actually looks pretty dry under here. In fact, it looks really dry for having some miles on it. I'll get this uploaded to YouTube and get it sent to you.